Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat if you're having sign up problem. Now first of all you need to check if your WhatsApp is on your latest version or not. Now go to Play Store or open your App Store and search in Snapchat. After you have searched up Snapchat, then open the Snapchat profile. And after you have opened it, as you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest version. If you aren't on the latest version, then it will say update instead of open on this button. Now you also need to check if your Wi-Fi has the stable internet or not. As you can see, my Wi-Fi has a good connection and is giving stable connection to it. Also check by opening your Snapchat, and as you can see, my Snapchat is working just fine. You can also do it by opening settings and go to apps or your applications and search in Snapchat. After you have searched Snapchat on the search bar, open it, go to storage, and as you can see in the bottom screen here, clear data and clear cache. Now after all these steps, open your Snapchat and you can sign up your Snapchat without any problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.